With the Management Utilities third-party software installation, we can install a shortcut to a URL on user desktops. We'll use the Management Utility to push out a desktop shortcut for the Site Manager's self-service ticketing. We're going to use a Visual Basic script that creates the desktop icon. Now, this script supports Windows 7 or Windows XP. It's not for the server operating systems. We'll also need to use a Windows batch file to run the VB script on the client machine using cscript. We're going to create those two small script files and we'll place them on the network share that we use for deploying the system client and third-party applications. Here is the script, which we'll call shortcutscript.vbs. Running this script is what creates the desktop shortcut. You can modify the name of the link here. You'll also want to change the URL to the correct one for your site manager. We want cscript to run the Visual Basic script, so we'll use this very simple batch file to do that. We've specified our network share, which is the apps directory that we've set up on the Management Utilities server. You'll want to change that to your own network share. Now we'll load these two small script files into our network share. Remember that for the installation process to work, this file, dep.svc.exe, also needs to be present in the same directory. We'll browse to the Management Utilities and create a third-party software installation template. We'll give the template a name. The target platform is Windows, and we'll choose the authentication template that gives us access to the network share and to the client machines. Since we're using our usual network share, the path is filled in. We'll click the Find Files button, and we'll find the batch file, shortcutscript.bat. Click the Add button, verify the name of our batch file and the file path, and then we'll save the template. To make sure everything's working correctly, let's install on a single machine. We'll find the machine in our groups interface, click on the machine, and then right-click and choose Deploy Third-Party Software. We'll use our Windows authentication template and the third-party software template that we've just created. We'll click OK and then run the job. Now, after a few minutes, the job is finished, and we can check the status message to review it. On the desktop of the client machine, here's the icon. We'll double-click it. Enter the username and password. And here's the Site Manager self-service ticketing interface. Now we can use this same template to set up a scheduled job so that we can install the desktop icon on a whole group of machines.